Hello students, how are you all? Students, today we will learn the concept of more than and less than. Do you know that? What is more than? What is less than? Let's see. More than. That means we add 1 to any number, and for this operation we have to do addition. So let's start with some examples. The example is 4, 5, 7, 3. What is the example? 4, 5, 7, 3. Now I want 1 more than 4, 5, 7, 3. So what we have to do? We have to do add 1 to this number. So our number is 4, 5, 7, 3. So 1 is added to the 3 because 1 is on 1's place, and in this number 3 is also on 1's place. So this 1 is added to the 1's place. That's why we get the number 4, 5, 7, 4. Now I want 10 more than 4, 5, 7, 3. So in 10, 1 is on 10's place, and that's why 1 is added to the 10's place of this number 4, 5, 7, 3. So 1 is added to 7. We get the number 4, 5, 8, 3. Now next. Now here I want 100 more than 4, 5, 7, 3. How many? 100. So we added 100 to the 4, 5, 7, 3. In 100, my dear children, be careful. In 100, 1 is on 100's place. So 1 is added to 100 place of this number. So in this number 5 is on 100's place, like 3 is on 1's place, 7 is on 10's place, 5 is on 100's place. That's why 1 is added to 5. So we get 6, and that's why the number 4, 6, 7, 3 we get. Now we are going to add 1000 to this number. So we get 1000 more than 4, 5, 7, 3. So in 1000, 1 is on 1000 place, and in this number 4, 5, 7, 3, 4 is on 1000's place. So we add this 1 into 4, 5, 7, 3. We get 5, 5, 7, 3. Now see children, we have found new word, and that is successor. What is successor? The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. Here 4, 5, 7, 4 is called successor of 4, 5, 7, 3 because 4, 5, 7, 4 comes just after 4, 5, 7, 3, and that's why 4, 5, 7, 4 is called successor of 4, 5, 7, 3. So what is the successor of 2, 2, 2, 1? Let's see. 2, 2, 2, 1. After 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2 is come. That's why the successor of 2, 2, 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, what is less than? Less than, that means we subtract 1 from any number, and for this concept we have to do subtraction. Let's move with an example. The example is 4, 5, 7, 3. Now what we have to do? We want one number less than 4, 5, 7, 3. So we have to do subtract 1 from this number. 1 is subtract from the ones place of these numbers. So 3 is on ones place. So 1 is subtracted from 3. We get number 4, 5, 7, 2. Now 10 less than 4, 5, 7, 3. So 10 in 10, 1 is on tens place, and in this number which digit on tens place? 7. And that I already highlight the number 7 which on tens place. So now we have to do subtraction from 4, 5, 7, 3 minus 10. We get number 4, 5, 6, 3. Now I want 100 less than 4, 5, 7, 3. So in this number, which digit are on hundreds place? 5, and that is indicated as red color. We have to subtract 100 from this number, and we get 100 less than 4, 5, 7, 3. So 4, 5, 7, 3 minus 100 is equal to 4, 4, 7, 3. Now next 4, 5, 7, 3 minus 1000. When we do 4, 5, 7, 3 minus 1000, we get 1000 more than 4, 5, 7, 3. So in thousands, 1 is on thousands place, and in 4, 5, 7, 3, 4 is on thousands place. So 1 is subtracted from 4. We get 3, 5, 7, 3. Now see children, here we have found another new word is predecessor. What is predecessor? The number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. What is the definition of predecessor? The number just come before the given number. So here 4, 5, 7, 2 is predecessor of 4, 5, 7, 3 because 4, 5, 7, 2 is comes just before 4, 5, 7, 3. That's why 4, 5, 7, 2 is predecessor of 4, 5, 7, 3. So now what is the predecessor of 2, 2, 2, 1? The predecessor of 2, 2, 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2, 0 because after 2, 2, 2, 1, that is 2, 2, 2, 2, and that is successor of this number. And what is the predecessor of this number? Before 2, 2, 2, 1. What is come before 2, 2, 2, 1? 2, 2, 2, 0. And that is why predecessor of 2, 2, 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2, 0. Thank you.